So guys, I started recording. Here it is. We'll prepare another note. So Microsoft Office 365. Okay. Now currently it is Microsoft 365. It is formerly Office 365. Of course, it comes under Microsoft only. It is formerly Office 365. Now we are calling this one as a Microsoft 365. Here you can see I'm using Microsoft 365. Earlier it is Office 365. Okay. So I'm accessing my Excel sheet from my web browser. And same Excel I can access from my local machine as also. So it is from here also I can access. Okay. So same account, same license. Of course, where you store a data, based on that, we can access the data. Okay. Office 365. Next. It is a cloud-based service, which it is software as a service. It comes under software as a service. It means you can access an application directly without worrying about underlying hardware, operating system, and where it is running like that. We cannot. It's a subscription model. Okay, it is a subscription type. Okay. What is subscription? For example, you take a Netflix, subscribe how many months you want to use it. Or you can, if you take Amazon Prime or what we say is a Hotstar, subscription models, 1 month or 1 year type of subscription. Certain subscriptions you will get a number of users. For example, you take a Netflix, basic model is one user model, mobile purpose on. Okay. Okay, it's Office 365 class, not a Netflix class, but still, you go to Netflix. Okay, you go to Netflix plans, so then you can see. Okay, you can see it is monthly. It's a mobile planning, good quality resolution, phone and tablet. You can use it. Okay, basic plans are start with the 199. You can use phone, tablet, computer, and TV. So earlier 199 for a this single user type. So standard, it's a multi-user type, premium multi-user type. Okay. So each plan we are getting different device support, different number of user support is there. Okay. So people who live with you may use your account for different devices at same time with a premium, two with a standard. You take a standard, so very standard. This is two user at a time. You can see one with the basic and mobile. Only one time, only one at a time, one person at a time can able to access. Two people can able to access at a time. Four people can able to access if you are there taking premium. Okay, at a time. Generally, just for our understanding, what is meant by this subscription model and all. Even Office 365 having that kind of stuff, like it depends upon what plan you have taken, number of users and number of different type of device support. Also, you can see cancel at a time. You can cancel this subscription anytime. Okay. Subscription model monthly, yearly. You can take a subscription for a month or per year. you can take a subscription. So what we are getting with the Office 365, so as we are getting our Microsoft Office suite, like your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, kind of stuff. Okay, no, basically, plus other enterprise tools, apps. So don't use tools, it is application, other enterprise applications. Okay, depends upon your subscription kind of stuff, like Microsoft Teams. Okay, Exchange, SharePoint, like this, etc. Okay. So what is an Office 365, guys? It's a cloud-based service. It is software as a service. It is we are getting Microsoft Office. We can access our Microsoft Office apps online, means using web browser, offline. Offline means desktop or a mobile apps also we can access. Okay. So Microsoft applications we can access through online, like you can access through web browser, and you can also access through offline, means desktop applications, mobile application. You can Office, sorry, access your Office. Your Office means your Office apps from anywhere, anytime, any device also, because it's a multiple device support is there. Anywhere, anytime, any device we can access. Guys, this is the basic points in a Office 365. But here we are going to discuss about a few differences. Guys, understand what is Office 365 first of all?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You know, before Office 365 kind of stuff are currently also means not Office 365. Even Microsoft having Office suite, normal Office suite. Example, Microsoft Office, like a example, we take Office 2021. That's a new version, I think so. Maybe 23 is there. 21 as you know, last one. Office 97, 2000 Office, XP Office, 2003 Office, 2007 Office, 2010 Office. So these are all Microsoft Offices. Okay. So it is a offline type, means it is a desktop application. So we are getting Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint initially, of course, PowerPoint, Outlook. Already I told now Outlook. Outlook is one of the Microsoft Office tool. And of course, we are getting Microsoft Access for database. It is a database tool. Okay, and Publisher, OneNote, like this. There is so many tools, Groovy kind of stuff. Okay, it is a single user type. Okay, so it is a single user means it is per user license type means one PC. Exactly say it is one PC or one Mac type, one MacBook or one PC. We can able to access means I have a desktop, so I purchase Office 360, Office 2021. I installed in it. I installed in it. Then I can use it. Means one time purchase. Only one time you will buy. So no need to buy again and again and again. It is one time purchase type. Okay. Think like that. I have a PC. I have a desktop or a laptop. So I need a Microsoft Office to do my office works. Means Word, Excel, PowerPoint related works are there. So I install a Microsoft Office 2021 or a 2019. So whatsoever it is, I installed. So I purchased it, one time purchase, I installed. So I no need to buy again. With or without internet, I can access. No problem. Without internet also, we can access because it's a desktop tool and we can access anytime with or without internet kind of stuff. Just like an application we are using. Okay. And it is comes with a license, right? It is a one license is there. There is a license. Okay. Now I have another system. Okay. It is somewhere in office. This is in my home. The office like that. So again, I have another system. Again, I have to buy Microsoft Office. I have to install. So I can able to use it. I have one license for this one. Guys, this license cannot be transferred to here. The license is, we cannot apply this license here. So compulsory, if you have multiple devices, compulsory you have to use multiple licenses. Okay, you have to buy for individual devices, one PC, one license kind of stuff. So compulsory, you have to use license part. Okay. For example, you have a desktop and in the desktop or laptop, you install MS Office, you kept aside and you went to somewhere. And now urgently your boss called you, you have to do certain document, then or you have to see certain document. You can't do it. Why? Because of your data, your data, your office is here. Okay. So whenever you want to some example, you go to some tour, like you went to a Goa tour. Okay. So then you can find a computer, but you cannot find your document and you cannot find your office, not with your license, right? If they are providing with the office laptop or with a installed office laptop or a desktop, that is okay. But you cannot install there. You can't put your license because it's a one-time use license kind only. Until unless your desktop is completely down, you can use this license in other PC. Okay, otherwise you cannot use this license. Okay, next. Guys, you look at, so when I use Office 2003, so that is that time it is a 2003 when we started using computers. 2000, 2003, 97 Office are famous. More famous is 2003. After this one, the next release is 2007. There's a different gap is there. 2007 having lot of features. 2003 has a limited features. Okay, it's a small office application, but 2007 is a big application, lot of features. For example, you can see I am getting lot of tools. You can see here it is. So conditional format, insert, filters. Okay. So while I am modifying something, I can see preview. Okay. Like a lot of tools, data connectivities, formulas. So formulas, you can see formulas, layouts. You can insert things into the arts kind of stuff, automate kind of stuff also showing here. Okay. A lot of features are introduced from one office to another office. 2010 office having certain external features. 2013 office some additional features. 2016 office some additional features. 2019 office some 2021. Okay. So office to office some additional features are there. For example, I purchased this 2003 office, one time purchase, so no need to buy again. But new features are introduced. So you want this new feature. What are the 2007 feature is there? You want it. Then what to do? You have to buy again this office. You have to buy this office again. So compulsory if you want new features from new office. Yeah, big discussion. So Arya is on leave today. Okay. So every feature, every office is new releases, new feature. You want this feature, then you have to buy this office again. This is one point. Wow. Okay. So point to buy point, you will understand. Guys, understand this one? New, you want to have to buy a new office.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Microsoft is an main organization, right? So you are purchasing from Microsoft. What Microsoft will do it? Microsoft is continuously give an updates to your office. It will update your office. So any new small updates or any critical address for critical pack updates, futuristic updates, it will give you. So in generally, like I purchased 2021. So it's a new version. I'll get a updates continuously. I'm getting updates from Microsoft. But how many days I will get this update? For example, 2007 office is getting updates. 2007 year, 2010, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2013, 2014, that time, 2012, 2013 time, these updates are stopped. Okay. So it no longer giving a updates. So you cannot get any updates after certain period of time. Okay. Next. When you buy a product from an organization, there must be a support. You should get a support, right? You got a issue, then the issue should be resolved. Okay, you got an issue, you are using someone's product and they face some issues. So the organization has to give product support. Product support. Okay. Licensing related or maybe some sort of errors kind of stuff, they have to give a product support. So what is the use of this product support? Okay. So sorry, how long we are getting this product support? Very limited free support is very limited. You have to give supposedly free product support. for a 30 days or a 60 days or 90 days of support only we are getting. Means product free support is limited. Even paid support is also limited. In this particular years, like next 5 years only, you will get a support that to paid support. After 5 years, you won't, you are paying, so we don't give a support. You have to buy a new product. So instead of paying, better to buy a new product. For example, I purchased 2013. I'm getting in a 2014, I purchased 2013. They given a 90 days free product support, so 90 days free is completed. So anytime next time I want it, then I have to pay for a support. Okay. So next maybe 2015 I used, 2016 I paid, 2019 came. Automatically stop giving that support. Product support is stopped. Whether free or a paid support is stopped. So what I have to better to purchase new product or compromise use of old one. Okay. So these are the things here. Plus one more extra I added, that is license. Here it is per PC license. One PC means one computer, one desktop or laptop. Okay. One desktop or laptop or one MacBook. It is also supporting Mac OS. Okay. Mac OS separately you have to download. Okay. Of course, it does not support Linux operating system. It does not support Linux based operating system, Linux and Unix based operating system. Linux and Unix operating system. Okay. So first one is single user type, means single PC type, either desktop or a laptop or a Mac. One license, one time. One time purchase, no need to buy every time. So means not a monthly or yearly, you no need to pay. One time purchase, one device uses. But license cannot be transferred to the multiple devices. One license, one PC or one Mac. Okay. But if in case your device is, your laptop is not working, completely damaged, or maybe you want to use this license in another device, so you have to uninstall here, you can use another device. And your data, your application running in one PC only. So you cannot use it from other devices or internet also, you cannot use it. Okay. Next one is you want additional features of Office, you have to go with the new version of Microsoft Office. Again, you have to purchase it if you want it. You want a support updates. So new updates you want to get it. So like a continuously update you want to get it, so you cannot get it. So because it's a limited number of days or years, they will give you updates, product related updates, critical updates kind of stuff, security patches, critical patches, and regular application updates. You'll get a limit for a limited period of time only. And the product support is also for a limited period of time. That too, free support and paid support is both are limited only. So this is problems with the Microsoft Direct Office. Okay. So it is a one-time purchase, limited for support. Okay. New features for a new features. You have to purchase. New office product.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I think it is. I think don't need to pay for the Microsoft 365, Office 365.
Yeah,
Am I
we
right?
have to pay. You have to pay.
No, sir.
I no need to pay. Huh?
I downloaded in my friend's laptop. It is free of
Okay.
cost. Means it downloaded from Google, and it's working properly. Means all the applications are working properly. That's why I'm asking you, sir.
You're telling Office 365 or this Microsoft normal Office?
All in his Office 365, sir. Yeah, Office 365.
Yeah, that's a payment either. I am not going to pay does not mean there is no payment. Compulsory payment is there.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, just verify once more. Okay,
Yes, sir. I will. I will, sir.
maybe it is a trial version or 1 month for trial version it is there. One, two, three. Third, what is the third point? Updates for limited period of. Okay, so this is about our Microsoft Office. So either it is desktop apps. So when it is comes to the normal Office 365, again we have to go with the differentiation. Again we have to go with the certain differentiation. Okay, before going to differentiation, different things about all these things are there, guys. So you don't need to go to any place to learn that one. Simply you can go to your Microsoft 365. Just go to Microsoft 365 site. So you will get to know the all the package comparisons. So for a home, first I'm going to for home. No, no sign me up. This is for home license. I given advantages over Office 365 it is. So advantages of Office 365, of course, you are getting Microsoft Office. You can use online, offline, means any device, even the Linux device is there. So I can use a web browser to access my Microsoft Office. I can access my Office any device through online. I can access multiple device support, not only a PC, laptop, desktop kind of stuff. Also, it will support. Okay, not only one device, so multiple device support is there. Okay, and anywhere, anytime we can access. Even operating system is not supporting type, but still we can use a web browser to access our Microsoft Office. We are getting a OneDrive for storing our data. Okay, so that is it. And continuous updates. So what are the points here? It is in Office 365 will continuous updates. You will get it. Always support. Okay, always support. The new features automatically add up because you are in a subscription. Okay, so those point now I'm going to add, that is, guys, okay, always support is available. Always support is available. Continuous updates as long as you use it. As long as you're subscribed, you will get updates. Okay, continuous updates, new features automatically adds because you need to buy your in the subscription time. Okay, so this is the basic differences between normal Microsoft Office to of my normal Microsoft Office suite. Okay. Here it is, guys. Our Microsoft Office 365. There is a 2 points. One is for home, another one is for business. For home, for business. In a home edition, you have a multiple type of editions are there. Two mainly editions are there. So we'll see that kind of stuff. Okay. So first of all, I'm sharing one uh, comparison part. Okay. If you go to this comparison link, so you can get what I'm trying to say. This is for home comparison, actually. What I'm doing. Okay. So I'm writing directly for home license. For home, guys, look at here. You are getting family and personal, two offices. One is family, another is personal. Okay. In this one, for office, for home, students, kind of stuff. Okay. So I am going with this first personal. Okay. For home, Microsoft 365 personal is there. So the cost per year is 4,899 per year. You have to pay that one. So you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This is a security. OneDrive you are getting, and you are getting Outlook. This is that. What is that name? I will get it. So it is there. It is some Teams related part only. We'll get it. Stream. This is OneNote. Okay, so you want to see it is a Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This is Defender, OneDrive, Outlook, Editor, and this is a Clip Champ. Something. It's a Clip Champ, not a Stream. It is OneNote. Stream won't come in here. Inside. Okay, it is a license per home license is for a okay. So this is for one person only. I want to use only for my purpose. So I don't have any person to share it. Like a Netflix account, I said that's one first. Okay. Use up to 5 devices. So the one account, one person, one account, 5 devices you can use parallelly. It works on your PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android phones, Android tablets also. It works. Means it works in any device. You can access anytime, but not all the users, only one user account. The user is getting 1 TB of cloud storage. 1 TB of cloud storage. OneDrive storage is getting 1 TB. Okay, that is a personal. So you want to take a Microsoft Office personal, then this is the one. So what is the Microsoft Office 365 family? One second. Let's see. Okay. The family, the cost is around 6,199. But it is look like a bit costlier, but compared to personal, it is very cheaper. How it is cheaper? So we'll see that one. Of course. So you are getting Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Yeah, Defender, Microsoft Security, and we are getting what is this? OneDrive, Outlook. This is they are saying editor. Clipchamp means you drag something in a clip kind of stuff. OneNote, and additionally we are getting some health kind of stuff feature it is. We are getting it. So you want to know what it is? Simple. Family safety is protection only. Okay, it is for a 6 months, 6 people. Okay, so if you are only one person, I want to use it for myself, then it is so then it is under home. So I want to use my personal purpose. So I have to pay this amount per an year, and this is for personal. I will take personal. I don't know any friends and family kind of stuff. But entire family, me, my brother, my sister, my nephew, my people are using. So then better to take a family time. So as I said now, so Netflix premium account, 4 members can able to access. Same thing here it is 6 members can able to access. So you have to pay only 6,199, but up to 6 members can able to access. Okay, 6 accounts. Each person can access up to 5 devices. They can I can Word, PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, memo, Android phone, Android tablets. So each person can able to access in a five devices. Like I have a laptop as well as I have a mobile phone and I have a tablet. In a three things I can able to access my Office in my account. Okay, up to 6 TB of a cloud storage means each person is getting 1 TB. Not all 6 person get 1 TB. Each person is getting 1 TB. Additional features in a family safety mobile applications. You are getting a Windows Defender type of family safety apps you are getting in a mobile application also. We are getting. Yes, again, look at here. The difference is this is one user. This is up to 6 users. So use it for 3 users or 5 users, but maximum 6 users you can use it for this. Office 365 family. Okay, each person get a 1 TB and maximum up to 5 devices. Each user can use it. So if you know at least you and other 5 members, you can group together and you can share this amount and also the people use it. Generally, it is preferred in the within the family. Generally, that is okay. Um, guys, understand some points.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's a 1 to 6 people, one
Yes,
person.
sir.
So the features, what are the features you are getting? Ongoing technical support, Windows Defender, Microsoft Editor, Clipcamp, or Microsoft Teams also you are getting, OneNote you are getting. Access is PC only, Publisher is PC only. So Microsoft Form and Skype is also you are getting. Okay. And this is one-time purchase kind of stuff. This is not a Office 365, normal Microsoft Home or a student edition. In this one, professional is also there. So we are not going to shopping cart. It is one-time purchase. This is the price amount, and no need to buy again and again. So not like a 1 year kind of stuff. You need to buy. Somewhere it is give this. It is a one-time purchase for one PC or one Mac. Classic 2021 version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So support included for a first 60 days at a no cost. Okay. Without additional cost, first 60 days of support means what happen after 60 days? You have to pay for a support. Okay. So that is a office home and a normal office differences. So you don't want to use any different devices and no, I don't want any devices. I have my laptop or my desktop. I want to use it. Guys, there is one cheating is there. Please carefully follow that one. What is that cheating? I will tell. You purchase a laptop. So when you want to buy a laptop, you check with the online things, right? So what is this given? i5 processor, 8 GB RAM. Okay, that is good, no problem. Some graphical memory, that is depends upon your knowledge, which one you have to choose it. With Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 or upgraded to 11, good. And they increase the cost up to here, it is 40,000 rupees, for example. Now, next one in another page, you will see another laptop. It is 50,000, and you are getting Microsoft Office 2021 or 365 Office. Okay, you are getting McAfee. Okay, so 40,000, 50,000 cost. Look at guys, difference is with 50,000 you are getting extra, no problem. That is a good thing. Or 45,000 you are getting this extra. Good thing. But very important, guys, are you getting a full version or trial version? Or limited time period like a 1 month, 2 months access or 1 year access like that. So this is one time purchase. It means it's a lifetime access. Compulsory check with this. They are giving really a lifetime access or not. If they are giving a Office 365, is they giving for 1 month or 1 year? And which account? Is there any voucher for that one? Please check this one. Please check this one. McAfee, antivirus. How many days of support? 1 year support or 10 days support? Okay. So compulsory when you are buying a laptop or a desktop, whatever they are providing, is a lifetime support or temporary, and the cost differences. Cost difference, cost, look at the cost also. Okay, that's a point, compulsory, check it. Very good. So like this, explore even more benefits in Office 365, simplify online security, make most of your day, productivity apps, all your ideas one place, storage, tell your story, and away something it is given. Guys, this is for business. This is for business comparison. Again, Microsoft Office 365 for business comparison. Okay, now it is business. In a business, we are having so many editions, guys. You can see these are the editions. Okay, so this is Office 365 for a business. This is the cost. Means, sir? Okay, sir. Okay, this is per month cost. Okay, so Office 365 per user per month cost is. Try free for 1 month. Try free for 1 month. Okay, for first month you can get a free time, but you have to give some credit card, email ID, kind of stuff. Of course, 1 month free without giving credit card also possible. That is, we can also try to see. Means in your organization, who use this business, guys, not a your personal use. It is useful for a business organizations like Savantis. It's like that office we are using this business editions for an organization's purpose only. In my organization, I have 100 users are there. 100 into this price you have to pay. Okay. So you can see what are we are getting from this Microsoft Office version of Microsoft Office means no desktop application. Okay, it is not given. It is no desktop apps. No desktop apps. Only mobile and web means through web browser you can access, through mobile phone you can access, but desktop apps are not given with this edition. Because it's a very lesser cost. 1 TB cloud of cloud storage per user. Business class email IDs you are getting. Means I'm getting at the rate Savantis.com, at the rate HCL.com, at the rate Cognizant.com. Like a you will get a email IDs organizational email ID. So what we are getting, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
net internet is disconnected. Very good.
Yeah, it's
Internet is.
okay. Okay.
So you are getting a Office apps and services here with a Word, Excel, PowerPoint kind of stuff. So I will remove all these things why we are having this much. If it is iconic icons type, it is very good to see. but icons are not copy pasted, so that is also a good no problem. Otherwise, we'll screenshot. Okay. So your Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint kind of stuff. So we are getting this one. So here we have to increase the size. So this is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, Outlook. This much we know already. What is this Exchange, guys? Exchange is a service, mail exchange server. So you need to buy a yesterday I explained now. So you want to create a server, then what are the infrastructures required? Same. You want to build an exchange, an application, so we can understand a cloud computing is here. Okay. I have to build a mail server with a Microsoft Exchange. Okay. Exchange mail server. I want to build it. So I have to buy a hardware. I have to install a Microsoft server operating system. Then I have to purchase this Exchange application. For this one, there is a background support is backup support. Another support is required Active Directory environment. Means again, I have to buy a hardware, I have to buy an operating system, and I have to configure this Active Directory, and then I have to add a users here like this. And these users will be comes here. So for a this one means this is providing mail services and this is providing authentication services. Both are there. Okay. So we need it. But one server, two servers I'm using, not enough because it is also need a backup servers, load balancer servers. This is also required a multiple servers. The whole infrastructure costs the organization. So what is a simple solution? Move to the cloud. Move to the cloud. And for an organization, we are getting a very easy option is Office 365. From Office 365, not only a Microsoft Office like a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, also we are getting these services, Exchange, Azure AD services. You want a user authentication? From cloud, you can take Azure AD services. For mail communication, you can take Exchange. Simply go to Exchange services, create what is your organizational name as a domain name. So your organization name.com something, and you add a users, and user will get a email ID authentication. User have a so exchange. What is an exchange for a mail communication purpose? Next is OneDrive, guys. You know OneDrive to store your data. SharePoint. Again, SharePoint. See it is SharePoint. So in my SharePoint, so I will open this SharePoint. So this is my SharePoint. So within my organization, within my team, I want to share information or a document or a post or a site, okay, for my project or for my organization or internal training purpose, I can use this SharePoint. So this document is in my SharePoint means my team people can able to access. In this SharePoint, I created certain sites. You can see this is a cloud basic site. What are the cloud types? Cloud models, cloud service providers, cloud domains kinds. Who can able to access all these members? Okay, these are all members. If I make any member as a owner, she is a owner, so can able to edit. Remaining can able to view it. I can create new post or I can create a new site. This is Another one I created. So for a DevOps. Okay. So this is a post I created. So poster site, I think it is created site only. This is a site page I've created. SDLC, what is meant by SDLC? Agile process, DevOps life cycles, Agile in development, Agile in operations, and what are their tools for agility purpose? What tools we use in the DevOps? Okay. So what is the point of it? So here it is again, who can evidence. This is the SharePoint, guys. So in the SharePoint, so you can create a private group. In that one, you can share information, data, or you can create a site, you can create a post. So people can able to view it, we can understand, we can go through, discuss the process of a project, okay, what's going on like that, we can do it. So that is some small point in SharePoint. For this one also, again, we require a SharePoint server, okay, which is we have to merge with Active Directory and Microsoft Exchange. This SharePoint has to install. Okay, physically have to install, but you have a server, means you need a backup servers. Storage management also required. So instead of that one, simply go to the cloud services like a Microsoft 365. There you will find this Exchange and SharePoint also. So these are the things in a Microsoft Office 365 Business Edition, that to business basics. I told. Guys, understand somewhat?
Yes, sir.
So once you understand this, remaining is very easy. Only thing is I have to adjust properly these things. So this is Office 365 apps for business. That is basic. This is apps for business. Per user cost is 650 rupees. Means you take a 10 users, 10 user cost is 66,500. So like you take 100 users, 100 cost users, cost will be increases. So you are getting a desktop version of Office apps with the premium features. Desktop version of Office apps. 1 terabyte of cloud storage per user, standard security, and anytime purchasing kind of stuff. So there is something. Okay. Next, we are getting certain things like a desktop apps you are getting. In this one, no desktop apps. But here we are getting desktop, web and mobile and services also we are getting. Of course, we are getting Word. Better we should we are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Office 365, So what I'm talking? But if you are observe, what is there? Excel is there, PowerPoint is there, Outlook is there, OneDrive is there, Access. Access is there, but only for works in a local installation purpose. But where is this Exchange and SharePoint and Teams? So it is does not contain no Exchange feature. Means that services are not there. No SharePoint kind of stuff. Okay. Teams it is not giving. Generally, Teams by default you will get it because you are getting Skypes. Okay. But these things you are not getting in this one, but you are getting desktop apps. Just people are in your organization, they don't require Exchange, SharePoint means no email kind of stuff. Not required email from Office 365 email is not required, but you need a desktop apps for your organization for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Access, and Publisher. So you can go for this package. Depends upon you and your organization, which one you will subscribe. Okay, so what we are getting, what we are not getting. So that's the point here. I will tell these two more things are there. So once I finish these two, okay, so we can take a break. So do not worry. So features varies, apps varies, and price varies. So that's the difference. Everything is business basics. So for first one, what for the first one we have seen. So what are we seen in that one? The same thing. Plus desktop version. The first one, what are we have seen this one, the tools we are getting here. Okay, these are all word and web and mobile access. But in this one, we are getting desktop access. That's the point. So because you are getting desktop apps, so you are getting access and publisher, and of course, it's a complete solution. So then you are getting. So for example, you are a startup company, you can take business basics. So you're getting a email and as well as SharePoint, but you are not getting desktop apps, but you are getting. Okay, you can put a commas in between. So now, the last one is there, guys. So last one having two more additional features, two or three additional features. So that's the price is very high. Okay. So if you go to this particular website, also you can find the comparison. What is that future? What is the use of that future kind of stuff? You can able to understand. It is showing two cost. Actually, this is not required annual subscription, auto renewal. Every time we are giving this one. Try for 1 month. And why this is giving a two cost? Because of special offer. Okay. Because of this special offer, we are getting this price. So what we are getting in this one, advanced security, access and data control, cyber threat protection is also we are getting from. Okay, so what are other features we are getting? This is a little big list than earlier. But same as a business basics and business standard, and plus few features we are getting here. What are the new things, guys? Look at here. Word access and publisher is there earlier. What is the new one? Azure information protection. Insurance. Exchange. It is already there earlier. So two we have seen now. Insurance and Azure information protection. So we are getting Word, Excel, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Drive, SharePoint, Exchange, Insurance, and Azure Information Protection, Publisher, and Access. So this is new one. Okay. So this is totally Office 365 comparisons, guys. And you can go through other comparisons from here in this list also. And other features are another information like what is it, what is kind of stuff. You want to know about insurance? Click in insurance. What is insurance? We are getting this. Apply security policies to help protect your business data and all your organization's devices. So, for example, your office is giving a laptop or a mobile phone to you. So what are the data in your devices? They will control and protect your applications and data in your mobile phone and laptop. So they can easily control and protect or take a backup regularly through this Intunes feature. What is the next one? Azure Information Protection and stuff. Safeguard sensitive information no matter where it stores, whom it is shared with. Okay, it's safeguarding your data protection. Few things we reminding you know, guys, right? SharePoint. These two I explained already. So guys, tell me what you understand. Anything? What is Office 365? What are all these tools?
Yes, sir, got it.
If we want multiple services, then we have to choose from all of them.
Very good. So Office business model for an organization to get a multiple type of services, not only Office tools, also we are getting Exchange, SharePoint, Teams, Intunes, Azure information kind of stuff. Depends upon organization requirements. We choose what edition we have to take it. That's a good line. It is actually I tell you. Okay. And it is a Office 365 subscription model. Anytime, any place. You can purchase anytime, anywhere. You can purchase anytime. You can use it anytime. Okay. You can subscribe anytime. You can unsubscribe anytime. There is a two things like a home and business purpose. For personal purpose or a family purpose, you can use home. For an organization, you can use a business. In a business editions, not only Office, also they are giving different type of services. Mailing, business class mailing services, SharePoint related services, insurance services, okay, and these kind of services. Yeah. Okay, so only one question, what is Office 365, guys? And two things like for business and home. What is Office 365? It is a cloud-based service, software as a service. Okay, it's a monthly and a yearly subscription. Anytime we can cancel. We are able to access our Office suites. Plus, for enterprises, for enterprise apps also available. You can access Microsoft Office through web browser and offline tools like a desktop, mobile, tablet, including different type of device support like a Android and yeah, this is the point. It support iOS, Android, okay, Windows operating system, Mac OS, okay. Different type of operating system support is there, okay, and continuous support is available, continuous updates, continuous features. And what is the comparison between Microsoft Office 365 to a normal Office which is installed in PC? It's a one-time purchase. One device you can able to use it, not multiple device support. Offline means desktop apps only we can able to access. Limited period of time support it is there. either free or a paid support it is. New features if you want to require, so compulsory you have to buy a new version. Okay. Updates also available for a limited period of times. This is your Office 365. Okay. That's it for this one, guys. Take a break. Come back in 15 minutes. Means 12:25, 12:30. Okay, I will tell about only one topic, means important topic, that is VPN. I will complete.